What's up? Good morning.
Ups and downs are worth it. Long way to go, but we're working.
It's Wednesday and I'm supposed to put a video up to Monday, but I'm excited. I feel good. I want to share something. I feel accomplished, y'all. I feel accomplished. I've been down in the dumps lately, but I feel good now. So I wanted to touch on some things because a few things have been brought to my attention and I kind of wanted to address them. I've been getting phone calls about the workshop, what's going on with the workshop, get a clear understanding. In the trucking business, I need to touch on that as well. So and also one of my old clients brought something to my attention. Well, I'm not going to address that, but anyway, so I'm in a good mood. Number one, if you follow me on my personal Instagram page, I put a story up about me setting my intentions for 2020. Y'all know I'm really big on manifestation. I will do I don't like to call them rituals because it sounds like witchcraft, but not necessarily a ritual, but I don't know how to explain it. I shift my energy. There you go. I shift my energy last night. I don't know how. It's crazy, but I feel like a damn jelly bean. And it's like a high that I can't come off of. It's crazy. Let me tell you what happened to me yesterday. So if you follow me on Instagram, y'all see I put a quick clip of me writing this long script, right? So right now I'm at 15 pages and I am happy to say, damn it, I'm done with the script. I'm done. I'm gonna explain to you what the script is in a minute. I'm done with the script. It's a 15-page script, right? 15-20 page script, and it's something that I'm gonna launch in just a couple of weeks, maybe 2 weeks. I'm gonna give myself 2 weeks. I put it in the atmosphere. I prayed on it, meditated. I set my intentions last night. It's gonna come in the next 2 weeks, okay? So I want everybody to do this tonight. I want everybody to do it. If you see this video, do it and tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel the next day. So it's called the 2-cup method. It's called quantum jumping. And I've been knowing about this for a while and I have been doing it, but I did it outside, right? Because a solar wind was last night and a solar wind is happening tonight. That's when there's, the sun gives off a ton of energy and you just basically fueling your body with nothing but positive energy, but you have to feel the positive energy in order to fuel your body with it. 1 second. Okay, so in order to take advantage of the solar wind tonight, I'm gonna do it again tonight because I feel amazing. It's crazy. I feel like I said, I feel like a high. I probably shouldn't say that, but I literally feel like I'm high. It's a good high. Successful high, a business successful high. But I want you to get 2 cups, okay? On 1 cup, well, the cup, I have water in this cup. Your body is made up of 70% water. The earth is made up of 70% water, or mostly made up of water, right? So water contains energy. So that's why you put water in this cup. You're putting your energy into this water. It'll make sense in a minute. I want you to get a sticky note and write your current situation on it, okay? And stick it on the cup. Whether it's financial hardship, negative energy, whatever your situation is that you want to get out of. When you put that intention on a cup, take another cup and put your positive intention on it, where you want to be, the state that you want to be. So it's going to be, if you want to make 20 sales in 2 months, make something realistic. 20 sales in 2 months, or positive energy, or if you, whatever it is, okay? This is your current state with the water in it, with the negative thoughts that you're having, or whatever your current situation is. You hold the cup. I say do this around maybe 9 or 10 o'clock because we're having a solar wind again tonight, okay? And all that negative, bad feelings that you're having, feel it and really get into it so that the water in the cup can feel the energy that you're feeling. Feel the energy. Feel all that bad energy or the negative energy that you want to get rid of, that you don't want to have anymore. Feel it. Make whatever you cry, damn it, whatever you do, put it in this water and make the water feel your energy. Like I said, you're drawing energy from the earth, then the sun, okay? So make your body feel that energy. Once you feel and see how your current situation is making you feel, you're feeling sad, depressed, down, out, whatever, you're going to take your current energy that you're feeling, that water that has the energy now, you're going to dump it into where you want to be. So we're going to take that negative energy and we're going to put it into this positive cup with the positive intention on it. Positive energy, whatever you want to be. We're going to feel it. How does that water make you feel? Happy, successful, vibrant, alive. And this is what I was feeling last night. It feels good. And you're getting all this energy. You're feeling this energy. You're putting all the energy that you want to feel into this water that's in this cup. You're feeling it. And guess what you're going to drink it. You're going to drink all of the water. All of the water. And when you're finished drinking the water, you just put it out in the atmosphere and says, it is done. It's done. You set your intentions. You let it be. It's done. Now you just forget about it and let it come to you. Now when I did this, I light candles and I lit eucalyptus. It's a eucalyptus candle. Oh, it smells so good. And okay, so I want you to try that tonight. Comment and let me know how you feel the next morning after you set your intentions. Just let me know your feelings. I'm just curious to know if I'm crazy or this actually works. So comment down below and let me know how you actually felt after you did this intention. And I didn't know my comments were disabled in my last video until my niece brought it to my attention. So thank you, Yana, for letting me know that my comments were disabled. But I'm gonna make sure they are good so you all can let me know how the 2-cup method goes. And again, it's called quantum jumping, so you can research quantum jumping. Is very powerful, and it's a very powerful manifestation technique. So you have to be genuine when you do it. Put all your feeling into the water when you drink it. Like, I feel amazing, which is weird, but I feel good. So I wanted to go over topics for the workshop. First of all, this workshop is going to be completely different. It's not going to be me standing up, running my mouth. I'm going to talk, don't get me wrong, but we're going to be in groups. Like, this is basically going to be considered a classroom. So it's going to be group style, depending on what you need to work on, if that makes any sense. So in the beginning, when we first start, we're going to, I do want to do some positive thinking, and I want to do other manifestation techniques. I really want to incorporate that in my workshops before we get started on anything, is to do manifestation techniques. We do positive thinkings. Sorry, I just got completely bright because it's like, and then as a group, one big group, we're going to do vision boards. We're going to do our brand vision boards. Like I said, you don't have to bring anything. If you want to bring your laptop, that's fine. But we're going to do brand vision boards. Put the color scheme on your vision boards. If you want to open a storefront, anything that you want to see in your store, you make sure you put on your vision board. But I'll provide the paper, the boards, ink, printer, all of that. And then we're going to break off in groups. If you need to work on your personal credit repair, the only thing I ask is you have a credit monitoring service. I'll provide the envelopes, certified return receipts. We're going to pull up the credit repair, and I'm going to show you how to write out your credit repair letter. So when you want to do it later, you want to start your own credit repair business and you need to do it for somebody else, you can. In another group, we're going to focus on Shopify. So if somebody needs to get their Shopify together, need help with back office, there's going to be a group. We're going to work on the back office, setting up Shopify. Another group, Rashida, I need to find manufacturers. I need help with these manufacturers. I need a reliable manufacturer. we're gonna be focused on manufacturing. So I'm gonna be walking around in all groups assisting, because I've noticed when I do my work, my seminars, my workshops, people are there for different reasons. So I want to make sure everybody is taken care of for their specific reason. And collectively, before the workshop ends, we're going to get in depth talking about the trucking business, or who's ever interested in the trucking business. We're going to do that later on in the workshop. Now, before the workshop, everybody's going to have their legalization done. And my script that I was working on Instagram is I am launching my 8-week, it's called the 8-week business launch. So I'm going to give everybody that for free who's attending the workshop, so that they can go ahead and get their legalization done. And I would love feedback on the business launch. I put my soul into this thing. So I'm literally on a screen and you're sharing my screen, and we're going through this stuff together, like click by click by click. So everybody that's attending the workshop will get that for free. When you get to the workshop, your legalization should be done, business credit should be about to be popping, or what have you. And everything we need to do is working on branding. Also, yeah, we're going to have a branding section or a group too. So I'm gonna show you where to get your branding boxes from. Tell me what you want as far as your branding, and I'll tell you where to get it from and what's the most cost-effective way to get it. If you need funding, I've actually partnered with a company, and he's giving me the information to get you all funded. They start with like $5,000. He's going to send me all information, so I can't really speak on it yet, but when we get there, I'm going to show you how to complete the application to where you can possibly get $2,000 to $5,000 started with your business. I think that's it. So I'm gonna continue to try to upload as often as I can, but I am so excited to see everybody. I'm excited to see how this manifestation technique goes. Please let me know how y'all feel the next day, because I'm on a high right now, and it feels amazing. I feel like I have to keep going, and I'm thinking of more business ideas, but I cannot wait to see everybody at the Houston workshop. It's going to be exciting. I can't wait to give you all my my 8-week online course. Like, it's literally an online school. It's an actual course online that I was able to find this platform, and was able to do an online course on it. So I'm so excited. It's very user friendly, and you can comment on the videos, and I'll be able to see the comments. If you have any issues, it'll come straight to me. And of course, I have to start another Facebook group for that, for the 8-week business launch, so that everybody that's in the business launch courses, all the students that are in the course, can be able to communicate with me through the Facebook group. So thank y'all so much. My camera about to go dead, so I had to really kind of hurry up and cut it short, but thank y'all so much. I cannot wait to talk about the trucking business. My husband's gonna, if you want to bring your husband or your business partner who wants to drive a truck, bring them. My husband's going to be there, so he can share a lot of insight about the trucking business. I handle all the paperwork, he drives, so you get the best of both worlds. So thank you all so much. I will see y'all soon.